Hey, this video is part of Vibe Coding Olympics video series. If you have not seen the main video yet, please go and watch it first. It contains the context for what this video is about. Now that you watched the main video, it means that you want to see how Desktop Commander performed. For disclosure, it's a tool that I'm building, and I expected it to be in the middle of the pack, but in the end it won, getting by basically being in top 3 in all categories and actually getting gold and going above and beyond, which was a little bit unexpected even for me. But watch the main video for more details. Let's take a look at how it performed. Okay, next, let's try to use Claude Desktop. Let's make a new chat. Let's go here. We will use our original prompt again, just with small change to where the file is. What? So we wanted to go here. Let's, for fair comparison, say that I did already spend one interaction on Claude Desktop part because I needed still to give it a folder. I guess it's not really different from opening the folder in that sense. I can ask it to search here, but okay. So folder, call it OpenImage compare, but let's call it Claude. I didn't need to create a folder though, while for Visual Studio Code I need it. So I guess I will actually put it to 0 for now, because I didn't count anything the section for Visual Studio Code. If I will miss the calculations, I will correct them in the comment below the video in the future. But okay, so OpenAI, compare Claude Desktop. Read this page afterwards. I want you to make index.html. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, it's the same prompt. We don't need to change anything else. Let's go. So it creates a directory. It's actually first interaction. We gave it one message. It's fetching the Did it succeed though? Yep, it didn't succeed either. So I'll proceed with creating, and it's creating the file. So did we comment about documentation? No, actually we did. It did fail to also find the documentation. Whatever. It was the same. And it's writing the file. Actually, Claude Desktop does have one UX issue. While you can make it so that it doesn't ask you things, it has an issue with very large files where you will need to click continue. I wonder if we're going to hit that on the first generation, and I don't think we did. So it created something. Let's go and ask it, give it the second prompt, which is open in browser. It did. And it's kind of funny, it already has a key. Let's try. There is something off. Well, we do have this. I don't think it actually did loading indicators. Design is interesting though. A bit confusing for now. Well, let's see. So let's give it an error to fix. But I don't see anything else happening. I wonder if I still need to give it a key. By the way, this is the second interaction. Does it have like a wrong key? So it makes changes. It changed and fixed things, updated the rest of the UI as well. Okay, it's newest model. Let's give it a try again. It doesn't have loading indicators. Interesting. It had them first time, not this time. Let's actually say that Claude Desktop doesn't has loading indicator in my view. It does have error capture though. It did show us an error. I wonder what's happening. Oh, there is some kind of additional error. Let's try to ask it to fix it. So, and this is additional interaction for Claude Desktop. So in that sense, it's bad that we are getting these points. By the way, I think we should fail documentation also add it as an issue. We didn't do it here, and I think that it felt slow is also one additional one. Okay, we can refresh the browser. We can try. Okay, now we are getting generating loading indicators. So it didn't fix it from that second try. So indicators are there, good. Design is good. We are getting first image. We are getting second image. Oh, what's interesting, it's return the revised prompt. So what's interesting about that is it goes above and beyond. I would probably put it as something I didn't think of that it does. Shows revised prompt. And this one didn't. I guess we're gonna be going through these things. So it's actually -1 now for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we got this, and we got the error that we know about from our original chat. Not this one though. We didn't get. Actually, we did got this one. We didn't get this one, and we don't need to ask for 3 columns. It is 3 columns. That's cool. But we need to ask for this. And it fixed it. By the way, considering we did ask for this, we need to up the counter again. Okay, let's go check what we have here. Generating. We should get the first images soon for these two. Their speed is comparable. Sometimes even DALL-E 3 returns before DALL-E 2. Okay, we got the first image. We got the second image with the revised prompt. Oh, it's actually showing time, and we got the third image. And it shows the time. That's also cool. Let's add it to our list of cool things. Shows loading time. Let's see. This one didn't. We need to add the key again. Yeah, let's check. Anyways, we are kind of done. That's it here. We now go to the prompt of preparing it for GitHub. Where is it? OK, add readme. We will be preparing it for GitHub. Let's go. And this is additional interaction for the Claude version, 6th one. Let's see what it does. It prepares a readme. Let's see here. It doesn't show time. Yep. So we can go and say that loading time is not shown, right? VS Code gets worse and worse. as we continue for now. We'll see. I think Claude will be also losing points to some other models. Okay, so it wrote a README. Now let's create a screenshot. It creates a screenshot. I don't know. I will want to see what screenshot it created was, though. But created a screenshot for README. It didn't. It's now 7.3, while this one did, I think. We'll see. I have no idea what's creating. It may actually fail in this case, because it went into, okay, it's probably going to be a broken image. So in this case, maybe that's actually not a good thing. I wonder what's going to happen. Let's allow it to, like, I mean, it's an agent. It works on its own. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let's try to stop it. Okay, I needed to stop it because it went in the wrong direction. Do not make screenshot continue without it. I needed to do another interaction because of this issue. Actually, have never seen it like loop into the thing with the screenshot. So now it's editing blocks and README. Creates git ignore. And it creates a license file. Did I had? Actually, it's interesting. Created. I don't think we counted that as well in here. It didn't create a license file. Okay, let's see. Created license file. Now it gave me instructions on what to do next, but we're gonna ask it to do the thing fully. And let's see what's gonna happen. So it's needing the git to move the screenshot thingy, added files. It committed the files. It now is creating a repository. I needed to do additional interaction. Actually, I don't think I counted interactions. 9 interactions. Huh. Oh boy, it even went above and beyond. It actually created the GitHub page. It published it. That's even more than last time. Last time I needed to click on it. It published it. Well, it's not live yet, but what? Um, I actually never seen that to succeed. It's surprising me even more. You know what? Let's go here. Let's check. Maybe that is not true. Let's go to uh, let's go to my repositories. Here it is. We go to settings, pages. It's here. It is live. It published it. Oh my God. Okay, that's even more. uh, Published the page. This one didn't. Okay, so that is crazy. It published the page. But we are done. This is what Claude Desktop with Desktop Commander can do. It kind of comparable, but you can see that I needed to click less, and it did more. So for Visual Studio Code, we needed to click 21 times, or at least interact. Here it was 9. And results, let's actually go and review. So design, comparable design it. I maybe like it a little bit more. Not sure what it is. But yeah, design is a plus. Copyright and license footer, it didn't do. API key link, did it? It didn't. Okay, API linking, it didn't create. Ability to save image. Do we have it? No. Okay, this is also minus. And then it had a bunch of minuses and pluses. Let's count them. So we have resulting quality 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we are actually in a plus 7, 4. Here we have 4, 9. Something is something missing. I think we're missing some things. Let's try again. Oh, it actually works. Yes, so it's 8. So we had 13. Here we for now have 12. We're missing one more. Let's try this way. So it works, has loading indicators, error handling, design, copyright and license footer, API key link, ability to save images, uses local storage. Okay, uses local storage is a plus after ability to save images. So it's 9 minus 4, it's actually plus 5 points on what it was able to achieve. We'll need to actually copy this to the next ones. So we have, we needed to do 9 interactions. We have plus 5 on features and cost. Yeah, now let's discuss the cost. Okay, so cost. We needed to say 1 message, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 messages. So we have 8 messages. Now we can go to Claude Pro Plan. price. Where is price? Plan price. Pricing. Pro. So usage limits. Plan. So it refreshes every 5 hours and it gives you 45 messages every 5 hours. Let's say you can use it twice per day. So it's 90 messages a day. We have 90 messages a day. Let's say that we are working 21 days a month. It costs $20. What we have is 21 days on 90 messages. It is this many messages. So now we can calculate per message price in this kind of situation. Now it will vary. You will be using less, maybe more, depends on how heavy user you are. But let's see. So we have $20 on 180. This is cost per message, and we spent 8 messages. So cost here was 8 cents or $0.008, which means it is almost 3 times less expensive to pay for than Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now you saw how Desktop Commander works with Claude Desktop. And there were some surprising things in there. It did went above and beyond. It did things like showing loading times. It did things like showing improved prompt. It did things like publishing the page without any interaction from me, which was surprising, and it was the only tool that did that. And if you ask me how is it going above and beyond, I think part of the magic is on Claude side, in Claude Desktop Prompt, because all of the tools that we test in this Olympics, they use the same model. Differences in the prompt and the tools that they integrate and how they integrate them. So what my suspicion is that Desktop Commander tools are well prompted to work well with very good prompt that is in Claude Desktop, a prompt that is better than in Claude Code and in other tools. This is where the magic comes from. So do give it a try. For certain types of work, people do like it more and don't want to return to other tools afterwards. That's all I have in this video for you. If it's helpful for you, consider helping this video by liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing. It helps to spread the video. Consider also helping to support my work if I helped you through super thanks, and there are links to support my open source work in other ways in the pinned comment. Please and thank you, and enjoy the tool, and see you next time.